giving a great opportunity to deliver my speech about this place. Now, what you see behind of myself through my camera, it's just really beautiful and a picturesque place. If I say you frankly that I have strong ambition to set foot on myself all the beautiful and splendid place across my country. From this aspect, I have selected this glamorous and mountainous area. The name of this place is Jorjori waterfall, Jorjori fountain, and it is located at the eastern part of our country, which is named the commercial capital of Bangladesh. Yes, I'm saying about Chittagong. And if you have an expectation to get a lot of adventure, a lot of beautiful place or mountainous area, you can select this type of mountainous area and adventure place. Thank you for staying with me.
কারণ নেওয়ার রুটি নষ্ট করেন না আচ্ছা চল যাও সরো সরো